How to repost on TikTok. This is actually a new update. The first one is the regular one everyone actually knows. Now the second one is actually a new update which was actually released recently by TikTok itself. So watch to see the second method. Right guys, let's dive right into the video. If this is the first time you're seeing this channel, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. So right here is the home page of my TikTok app. In order for you to repost a video, let's say you're scrolling on your For You page like this and you want to repost any of the video or live, this is what you can simply do. Just go ahead and click on the share button like this. Then you are going to see the option of repost right here. So you can simply go ahead and click on that and you'd be able to repost the video. This is the regular method everyone actually knows. So the new update now on TikTok, the latest way to actually repost your video, if you want to repost a video, is to simply go to the video that you want to repost. Now on the video like this, you can just simply go ahead and tap and hold the like button like this. Once you tap and hold on that, you're going to be able to see the option of repost. Now doing that, you've been able to repost the video as well as liking the video as well. So tell me on the comment section the one that is actually much more easier. So this is actually a new update on TikTok. Hope you found this guide helpful. So do hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell. It has always been Daniel on Ask Daniel Fix. Ask me any question in the comment section. See you in the next one.